Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a reverse dyed shirt. I took my shirt, threw it in the washing machine, just washed it with regular laundry soap, and took it out at the end of the cycle. So it's just damp, but it's just damp with regular water. I have my shirt folded in half, and I'm going to begin spiraling it from the corner. As I do my spiral, I'm trying to keep my shirt nice and tight. I'm going to submerge this in the Rit Color Remover, and when I do that, if my folds are not nice and tight, what will happen is too much of the dye will be removed from the shirt, and I won't have any of the black left. After I get my shirt spiraled, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. And here again, I'm going to use a lot of kite string, and as I put it around my shirt, I'm going to pull it nice and tight. Okay, so now I'm ready to do the color remover. What I'm going to use for this shirt is I'm going to use Rit Color Remover, and I've purchased this at Michael's, but you can get it pretty much at any craft store or an all-purpose store like Walmart or Target. Any place that sells the Rit dye normally sells the Rit Color Remover as well. The method that I'm going to use to remove the dye, I've taken a bucket that's probably about a 4-gallon bucket. I filled it up about 1/3 of the way full of really hot tap water, and I'm going to open 2 boxes of the Rit Color Remover and pour them down inside the water. Then I'm just going to stir the color remover in until it's nice and dissolved, and then I'm pouring some boiling hot water in on top of that, and then I'm going to stir the whole mixture together. Then to remove the color, I'm just going to put my shirts down inside the color remover, stir them around, and I'm going to stir them periodically, but I'm going to leave them for about 20 minutes. At the end of the 20 minutes, I'm going to come back, pull the shirts out, rinse them off, untie them, then just throw them in the washing machine with regular laundry soap. Then I'm going to dry them in the dryer with no fabric softener, soak them in soda ash as normal for about 30 minutes, wring them out in my Panda spin dryer, and then I'm ready to tie them. Now it's time to go ahead and tie up the shirt so that we can dye it. For this shirt, I'm just going to scrunch it up, and I'm going to hold it in place with some rubber bands. My first thought when I saw what this shirt looked like after going through the color remover is that it either looked like fire or it looked like tiger stripes. So I decided to kind of meet someplace in the middle with how I was going to dye it. For this shirt, I've mixed up Dharma's golden yellow and deep orange, and I've mixed up red number 9 from Grateful Dyes. I'm going to start at the top of the shirt, so up where the neck and the sleeves are, and I'm going to add the golden yellow there, the deep orange in the middle, and the red number 9 at the bottom. Then I'm going to turn my shirt over and do the same pattern on the back side. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching.